entrepreneurs. So a day in the life of an entrepreneur. Here I am. I had a video that I had recorded earlier today, which was about 30 minutes in length. And then my lights went out and I lost my video. So here I am making some breakfast for the kiddos. Today's the last day. They get to stay with the mama before they go back to school. So anyways, I just want to share with you guys a few tips as the year is coming to an end. Making sure that you guys are all crossing your T's, dotting your I's. For those of you that don't know me, here it goes. I am Faviola, the interpreter and entrepreneur. I've been in business for over 18 years. Started my business from the ground up. Built a $1 million business within 3 months. And I am here to help you. So back to the end of the year shenanigans. So make sure that you download my freebie where I have my checklist of all the things that you need to do, all of the processes and procedures, making sure that you enter all of your information on your database. If you have a database, if you don't have a database, then you need a database. Also, making sure that you enter all of your transactions into your accounting database. If you don't have an accounting database, make sure you get one. Okay, you need one in order to track all of your expenses, all of your income, and making sure that you have everything that you need for the end of the year for taxes, for tax purposes. Thirdly, making sure that you basically pack up all of those work orders, invoices, and information that you are no longer going to need from 2018, but making sure that you save it, store it, and hold on to it for the next 5 to 7 years according to federal guidelines. So I hope those little tips that I'm providing to you will be helpful to you. Make sure that you go onto my link, download your freebies, get onto my list where I share lots of free information, tips, guides. Make sure that you join my Facebook groups. I have an interpreter group, which is specifically for interpreters, for bilinguals who are interested in starting their own business and becoming interpreters. I have an entrepreneur group for those of you who have a special skill, product, or service and want to start, grow, and decipher your business. I share all of the free tips, guides, information with you. So, hope you like this video. Hope it brought a little bit of value to you, and see you on the other side.